At Seven Rivers Recycling, we recycle the tough stuff. Things like mattresses, box springs, e-waste, light bulbs, textiles, furniture, those things that really have value but are oftentimes being discarded because for one reason or another, they're not getting recycled.
30 years ago, all waste was combined together. Nothing was separated for recycling. Everything was collected on one truck. Everything was transported to one landfill. Recycling at that time really wasn't that common. It wasn't very popular.
We started recycling hands and bottles and then moved more into paper and now into plastics.
And the problem that we're seeing today is that there are materials that are hard to be recycled. Unless we find ways to recycle these materials, they will be buried and we're losing those resources.
The ideal vision is that no resource is wasted, material or human. And in a perfect world, we wouldn't need places to discard of materials where they never get used again.
The old misconception is of a couch, a chair, a mattress, a box spring. People have the belief that they're not recyclable. The only thing you can do is throw it away. We want to change that.
And so the goal is to find all those materials that are being discarded and wasted and turn them into the resource that they really are.
In La Crosse County, we bury 7,500 mattresses a year. Mattresses are large. Think about your own home. How many times have you bought a mattress in your life? And think about 7,000 mattresses suddenly. It's a big pile. It's wasteful.
If we took all the mattresses from the Seven Rivers region, you'd think reasonably to get your hands on, there'd be hundreds of tons of steel that we would save from landfills.
Having a company like Seven Rivers Recycling in our community means our community is going to be more sustainable. I'm excited about that.
Our whole focus is on items that are difficult. If it was easy, everybody would do it.
Seven Rivers Recycling has a vision to not only help our economy and help our environment and help the next generation, but also help people find viable work that they can be proud in.
One thing I've learned from my dad about recycling is that everything has a value.
There are many people in our society that because of one issue or another in their background, their human potential isn't being utilized.
We're offering opportunity for those people to enter the workforce, to become productive members of our society.
This isn't a handout, it's real work for real people to give them another chance at creating a benefit to society and themselves, and we want to have a hand in that.
This is an opportunity to give people jobs, taking a valuable resource, pulling it out of the landfill, marketing all the material that is in it, coming up with almost a zero waste plan.
We live in a beautiful area. The Seven Rivers region is truly amazing. We care about our environment, so care about what your kids' environment will look like in the future.
La Crosse County and the Solid Waste Department have been recognized for a number of decades as being a leader in the solid waste management industry. We didn't get to that position by ourselves. We got to this position because we partnered with companies like Seven Rivers Recycling.
I'm excited because business owners, project managers, elected officials have the opportunity within our region to do the right thing.
At Seven Rivers Recycling, we are equipped, ready, willing, and able to work with anybody that is willing to step up to work with us to recycle more items.
I think the most exciting thing about Seven Rivers Recycling is that it's looking toward the future. It's recovering resources that are being wasted right now. If we can do something to make a difference, why wouldn't we?